Let us solve some more problems on new profit sharing ratio. Now you are supposed to identify which method it is, and depending upon that we will solve some problems based on new profit sharing ratio. X and Y are partners. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Z as a new partner with 1/4 share in future profits, which he obtains two-thirds from X and 1/3 from Y. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of X and Y. So, if you read the question properly, the question is as follows: X and Y are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They have declared as a new partner with the 1/4 sharing future profits, which obtains 2/3 from the X and 1/3 from Y. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of X and Y. So the old ratio of X and Y is 2:1, and the ratio of new partner who is going to be admitted is 1/4 in the future profit. So 2/3 of 1/4 will be obtained by Z from X, and 1/3 of 1/4 will be obtained from Y. So if you read the question carefully, you will come to know that this is which method? Third method, right? So let us solve the problem here. So solution: X 2 inside 1/4 into 2/3 2/12. Y 2Z 1/4 into 1/3 equal to 1/12. So this is the additional step that you are supposed to do for getting the result, that is 2/12 and 1/12. So as compared to second method. Okay. So if you calculate this, it will be as good as what? Second method itself. Now let us calculate the new profit sharing ratio of X equal to, its old ratio was 2/3 minus the ratio sacrificed by him towards the scale of Z is 2 by 12. So you can use either of the methods here. Again, either you can use LCM method or you can cross multiply as well. So here I am using cross multiplication method. Into 12 into 3. So 12 to the 24. 24 minus 2 3 the 6 divided by 36 equal to 18 by 36. This is the new profit sharing ratio of X. New profit sharing ratio of Y. So its old ratio was 1 by 3, out of which he is sacrificing 1 by 12 towards the sale of new partner. If you cross multiply this into 12 into 3. 12 minus 3 by 36 equal to 9 by 36. So if you want to verify X ratio is, new ratio is 18 by 36, Y 9 by 36 and Z 1 by 4. 4 9 the 36. 18 is to 9 is to 9 divided by 36 equal to 36 divided by 36. Let us take one more example. X and Y are partners. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Z as a new partner with 3 by 12 share in future profits. Which he obtains two by 12 from X and 1 by 12 from Y. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So let us decide here which method it belongs to, first method, second method or third method. So X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Z as the new partner with 3/12 share in the future profits, which obtains 2/12 from X and 1/12 from Y. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So here it is very clearly given that the old ratio of old partners is 5:3 and the new partner share is 3/12, out of which 2/12 should be sacrificed by X and 1/12 should be sacrificed by Y. So here we need not calculate how much of share should be given by X and Y. It is calculated and given. So what we are supposed to is directly we are supposed to subtract the amount, the sacrifice in the ratio by the old partners from their old profit sharing ratio. So old profit sharing ratio of X new profit sharing ratio equal to old ratio minus ratio sacrifice. So here the calculation will be lengthy. So we will consider LCM here. Three to the 6, 6 to the 24. 24 will be the LCM. So 8 to the 24, 12 to the 24. 5 to the 15, 15 minus 4 by 24 equal to 11 by 24. This is the new profit sharing ratio of X. Y new profit sharing ratio equal to, this old ratio is 3/8 minus here sacrifice 1/12. So LCM will be considered here as same. So here 12 to the 24, 8 to the 24, 3 to the 9, 9 minus 2/24 equal to 7/24 is the new profit sharing ratio of Y. Now if you want to verify X, Y, Z. X new profit sharing ratio is 11/24, Y 7/24 and Z 3/12. To make it 24, 12 into 2 equal to 24. So 11 plus 7 plus 5, 6 divided by 24. So 24/24.